guys, today we are going to be doing a review on the Sound of Perseverance reissue by Death. And here's the back of the box. Sorry, got really bad lighting. Got Harvester of Sorrow, Bite the Pain, Spirit Crusher, Story to Tell, Flesh and the Power It Holds, Voice of the Soul, To Forgive is to Suffer, A Moment of Clarity, and of course, the Painkiller cover. This, personally, I think is my second favorite Death album. Symbolic is my favorite. But yeah, let's crack this thing. There we go. Here's the normal case. The artwork as shown before. I personally like the old artwork better, but that's just me. We're all entitled to our own opinions. I'm sorry for the quality of this video. This is my first video, so not that good. So just open it up. We have first disc, Sound of Perseverance, reissue, nothing special, it's just a disc. And then we're going to open this up, and here we have the second disc. There's some reissue demos and all that. I believe there's a couple live songs on it. I'll check to make sure. And then we go into this. And here is the pamphlet, and as you see, it has the little phrase here: whoever fights monsters should see to it that in the process he does not become a monster. And when you look long into an abyss, the abyss also looks into you. And that is Friedrich Wilhelm Nietzsche. I'm pretty sure I butchered that name, but we're just going to go with it. And then I'm used to using one hand. There we go. The booklet. Take a look through. Whole Big Thing by Shannon Ham, 2011. Gonna read that. I'm probably gonna read that later. There's a comparison between the old cover and the new cover. Good picture of Chuck and the band. Of course, all the lyrics, of course. And then here's some photos from tours, Chuck and all that. All the band members. On the front of a venue. Some more pictures over here. And then just the band thanks pages. And that's it. So all in all, this album, I have to give it a 10 out of 10 because it is Chuck's masterpiece. This is Chuck's masterpiece, and just Voice of the Soul is probably the most beautiful instrumental I've ever heard. And just pick this up. If you get the chance, just pick it up. That's what I suggest. And yeah, once again, I apologize for the quality of this video. It's my first video off of an iPhone, so it's just, I don't know how I feel about this. So, see you next time. Bye.